Hello guys, good morning. I am Agrace Carelica from the International Relation majoring, and this time I will share story about my dreams in the future. Okay, let's go. Hello. I will tell you my biggest dream. For the first, my hope for the future is to make my parents happy in their old age, to take them to some of their dream places such as Israel. And secondly, I hope that in 2026 I can finish my studies smoothly, and after that I will work in one of the foreign ministers, if at some point that doesn't happen, and then I hope to be able to work anywhere one day. And one day during vacation I want to go to Switzerland to enjoy the snow, and after that I want to go to Raja Ampat. I also hope go to Baduy to enjoy the nature and custom of Baduy. And the third, someday my friends and I will take a vacation to Labuan Bajo, eat big meatballs, enjoy the celery, and shop with looking at the freezers. And I and some of my friends also hope to have a library in remote places, to so children in rural tribes can experience having books. And one day I will have a reunion with my junior high school friends, as well as with my high school friends in the places. Hope to be on the island of Samosir. In addition, when I am successful, I will help the church ministry in my village. And finally, I will marry someone I love using Batak custom and wearing my dream dress, owning a house that we book together. And I hope my house will have a small garden at the back of the house and fish in front. And I also hope that one day my children will not feel what I feel. Maybe this is the story of my dream in the future. Hopefully, from many of my dreams, more or less can be realized. So much, and thank you.